Hi everybody, today is December 10th, 2013. A year from November, there's this company that has applied to release in the air a genetically modified organism of live bacteria for cholera. The Australian government is determined to forcibly vaccinate by intentional and controlled release of aerosol GMO vaccine. The GMO vaccine, consisting of live bacteria, is going to be sprayed in the air over the environment in Queensland, South Australia, Western Australia, and Victoria. Here's the application to do this. It's a live organism, Colobacterium. And what's interesting too is his insertion of mercury-resistant marker. Proposed release date is supposed to be 12 months from date of approval. It says here it's part of 3 international clinical trials covering 3 different age groups. Part of their trial evidently is also to inoculate a minimum of 1,000 individuals in Australia with this GM vaccine. Monitoring vaccinated individuals for at least 1 hour after ingestion to ensure the vaccine solution is not expelled orally. Yeah, well, make sure you don't puke it up. Some of the details about the molecular characterization and batch testing of the GMO are under consideration as confidential commercial information under Section 185 of the Act. PACVAC has proposed a number of controlled measures they say will restrict the spread and persistence of the GM vaccine and its introduced genetic material. However, there's always the possibility of these restrictions failing and infecting wildlife and ecosystems. Aerial vaccines have been used in the United States directed towards animals by the use of plastic packets dropped by planes or helicopters. And guess what this was a vaccination for that they dropped on the animals? The rabies virus. Remember the outbreak that we were having of people showing signs of being zombies, attacking other people? I did a report on that and how possibly it was related to the rabies virus. So if you're not going, whoa, by now, you should be. It also says that during 2012, 6,162 cases of rabies were reported in animals, and in 1 case was reported in humans. So these are evidently ongoing airdrops of little packets, ongoing aerial spraying. But if you try and get more information, such as clicking on general public, watch what happens. It's censored. Unauthorized. They're keeping it all secret. Mercury-resistant operon contains several genes and allows the bacteria to grow in the presence of mercury. And to make matters worse, back in 2003 they did this, and it was surrendered. They stopped the usage of it at the license holder request in September of 2010. In February of 2009, evidently they were heavily spraying over Anaheim, California. And there was at least 1 woman that came forward who got sick from this. Test results, which included protein band testing, utilized protein-coupled response method, were positive for KD-45. It turned out she got sick because of what was in this aerial spraying, which turned out to be a green monkey virus. It's also known as the Marburg virus, which is a hemorrhagic fever virus. And to make it worse, they think this is where the AIDS virus came from. So what are they really up to? Decreasing the world's population? Yeah, whoa. Alright, bookmark my site. I'll keep you up to date. Please stay safe, and I'll talk to you later. God bless y'all.